Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we're going to be talking about how to make a website on Squarespace within 10 minutes. Actually, building your own professional website has never been easier thanks to intuitive platforms like Squarespace. So if you want to build your own personal blog or an online store, promote your freelance business, or launch a content hub, Squarespace makes it incredibly simple to get your own site up and running. So let's get started with building our website. The first step is signing up for Squarespace. So head over to squarespace.com and click the Start with a Template button. This will open up the template gallery. Squarespace offers 100 different homepage templates across nearly every niche and industry. So browse through all of the categories. You will notice they have a variety of niches that work great, such as the business, portfolio, restaurant, and more. So scroll through and preview the template examples to get a feel for the types of designs and look for a template that aligns closely to your brand, industry, and style. The template itself can easily be changed later on, so pick one that matches your initial vision. And once you've selected one that you actually like, click the Use this template to get started. Squarespace will instantly build your site's underlying foundation using the template that you chose in the background. The second step is naming and describing our website. After creating your account, Squarespace will ask you to add a site title and site description. The site title will be shown in the browser tab and can function as your logo text. Enter a short name or phrase related to your brand or business here. The description summarizes your site for search engines. Keep it concise and compelling. Remember, this can also be changed later on. Once you complete the brief account setup steps, you will be automatically directed your Squarespace site dashboard. This is the central hub where you will manage your entire site. The left vertical menu bar allows easy navigation between all the different parts of your website. So for pages, you can edit and rearrange all the pages, content blocks, and design elements. On the design one, you can change visual styles like the colors, fonts, and spacing. You will also have many different menus such as the commerce, marketing, analytics, and settings. I would highly recommend taking a few minutes to get familiar with where everything is located and how the interface is structured. Squarespace is very intuitive even for complete beginners. The next step is modifying the existing homepage content. So let's start by customizing the homepage content. From the left pages menu, click to open up your homepage. The template that you chose comes preloaded with generic sample text, images, content sections, and more. So you'll want to replace this with your own custom brand messaging. To delete any existing text or images or content blocks that you don't need, simply select them and click on the trash icon. You can also drag and drop sections to rearrange the order to your liking. And don't worry about getting it perfect yet, you can tweak things as you go, but for now focus on removing the template placeholder content. The next step is adding your own branding and content. With a blank slate, it's time to add your own customized content to the homepage. So click the plus button anywhere on the page to open the content adder window, and here you can add new elements such as text, images, videos, and so much more. In the text editor window, you can style your headlines and paragraphs and caption, all by using the formatting options. For example, you can make the text bold, italic, underline, adjust alignment, and you can upload your own high quality photos or graphics and any other visual media that will help your site stand out with a polished professional look and feel tailored to your brand. Arrange your sections in a visually appealing way to communicate your messaging effectively. One powerful strategy to drive engagement is adding an email sign-up form so visitors can subscribe to your list. And you can do so by clicking on the plus button again and add a new form block anywhere on your page. You can then customize the form title and description along with the input fields like name, email, etc. And under form settings, storage, make sure to connect your form to either email or a third-party provider like MailChimp. This enables collecting submissions. Email marketing enables you to build relationships, nurture leads, and promote to site visitors. So don't miss on this opportunity to connect. With your desktop homepage setup looking good, it's time to optimize the mobile experience. And for that, we need to use the toggle button in the top preview bar to switch between desktop and mobile views of your site. The mobile preview allows you to ensure that your content responds beautifully across devices. You can also click the arrow icon to launch a full-page mobile preview for the most accurate representation. And if needed, adjust content width, rearrange sections, increase spacing, and tweak elements specifically on mobile. You must keep in mind that around 50% of all traffic is now mobile, so optimizing is essential. To drive traffic and connect with visitors, you can seamlessly integrate your social media profiles. You can go to settings and then site header in the menu. Here you can toggle on any of the social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and any that you want linked and visible. For each enabled social media, you can add your unique profile URL, save your changes, and your icons will automatically populate above the site header. Linking your social presence enables website visitors to easily follow you on their preferred channels, and this amplifies your brand reach and referral traffic. And finally, we just want to take one final pass reviewing your new site in its entirety on both desktop and mobile. So check all of the pages, links, fonts, colors, spacing, and all of the other settings to confirm that everything renders correctly. This is where you make any last tweaks as needed. And when you're 100% satisfied with your site, navigate to the settings and then billing in the menu and purchase a subscription plan to officially take your website live. So select a plan that covers all of your needs. Any additional features like e-commerce support are available in higher tiers, but even the base personal plan is sufficient for most sites. Once you've entered your billing details, your new website is officially live online and ready to be discovered. And that's really all you need to have a basic website foundation established. So the benefit of using Squarespace is that you can seamlessly add advanced capabilities like this as you grow, all within a single platform. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you found this kind of tutorial to be helpful. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content that we make similar to this one.